What are keywords? Keywords are ideas and topics that define what your content is about. In terms of SEO, they're the words and phrases that searchers enter into search engines, also called search queries. If you boil everything on your page, all of the images, video, copy, etc., down into simple words and phrases, those are your primary keywords. As a website owner and a content creator, you want the keywords on your page to be relevant to what people are searching for so that they have a better chance of finding your content among with the other results. Ideally, you want each page on your site to target a unique primary keyword. Generally speaking, your homepage will target a very broad industry term, and as you create category pages, product pages, and articles, they will drill down into the particular category of your website and target more specific needs. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and goodbye.